Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Roblox experience more private when you're using a PC. Now, Roblox doesn't have a true appear offline button like some other platforms. But by adjusting a few key settings, you can hide most of your activity and keep others from messaging or joining you. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click that, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Now you're on the Account Settings page. On the left side of the screen, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where all the tools are to make your account more private. We'll begin with the Communication. Look for the section that says Experience Chat. Click the drop-down and select No One. This will stop any private messages from reaching you. Now scroll down to the Visibility and Private Server section. You'll see the option, Who can join me in experiences? Change this to No One. This keeps people, including your friends, from joining your game session unless you specifically invite them. After that, look for the option, Who can invite me to private servers? Set this to No One. This prevents unwanted invites while you're playing. You can also choose to hide other parts of your profile. For example, you can set Who can see my inventory to No One. Keep in mind that Roblox doesn't let you hide the little green dot that shows when you're online. So, technically, people can still see that you're active. But with these settings in place, they won't be able to message you, invite you, or join your games. That makes your experience feel much more private. Roblox usually saves your changes automatically. But if you've set a parental PIN, you may need to enter it before the settings take effect. That's it. These changes give you a quiet, focused Roblox session without distractions or interruptions. You're still online, but it'll feel like you're invisible.